is me Coding Phoenix, aka Ayush. And yes, it's been many days as I was preparing for my exam. We will be doing two projects here today, and the two projects are made by me. So those are the two projects names are calculator and translator. So we go by translator first. The design is pretty simple. You need a screen, of course, and you need a column. In the column, it will be fit contents, fill container, fit contains, fill container, fill container, and yeah, vertical alignment is space around, and the horizontal alignment is center. So and visible true, and here pretty much like that. And you need a text input one, you should keep it under the column. So it should be type here, and relative size example 50, and it will be 30%. Relative size example 50, and it should be 80%. Visible will be true and nothing else. Now you need a button which also shall be under column. So the button, it shall be translate to French. Text color, anything you can keep. Font size 18 or anything you can keep. Background color, anything. And fit contains, fill container, fit contains, fit contains, fill container, fit contains. Visible true, and yes, we are done with the visible components. Now we have to do the invisible consonants. So the translator is the invisible consonants. So you need a source language, in which you will write, and you need a target language in which it will change. And this one, it will be default only. So basically, this translator you can turn into any language you want, like target language, anything you can keep. I have kept French here. You can keep anything you want. And another invisible component is text to speech. Default language shall be English US. Okay, so let's move on to the blocks. The blocks are pretty simple. So when button click, you have to do call translator once translate, text to translate, text input once, text with output result status, then do call text once speak text result, and then you have to set in text input once text to result. So first you have to take one click and get in from the control, and then you need to go to translator. Then you have to click on call translator once translate, text to translate. You have to go to text input one, then you have to click on text input once text, and you have to keep it here, and result status will be like that. Then when you're doing then do you have to write call text to speech once speak text result. So we are gonna do this, and then the text will be result. So you can just duplicate this and put it here. Now you need a set in text input once text to results. So again, I'm duplicating this and putting this here, and we're done. So basically, if you want to change anything, the code will be the same, but what you have to do is here the target language that you want. You have to you have to enter translate to Hindi, English, translate to Odia, translate to French, translate to Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, like that you have to do. Okay. And another thing you need to do is to go to translator and target language. You have to keep what you want. So that will be it for my translator project. I will share the link in the description, and let's move on to my calculator. So this calculator I created by very much myself. It's pretty much simple. It's not like the advanced calculator in Google or something. It's just a basic one. So let's move on. So you need a column. It will basically be the same only, and vertical alignment will be space around, horizontal alignment center, visible true, and nothing much for column 1. And now whatever we are going to put is all going to be under column 1. So basically you need a text input 1. It will be enter number 1 and example 50, 80%, and it will be the same. Now text input 2, you have to do enter the number 2 and relative size example 50%, and this shall be 80%. Now you need a label. So in this the answer will come. It is invisible. So font size 18 and visible true, and yes, this one also nothing much. Now you need button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. So in button 1 you have to type addition, nothing much. Button 2 subtraction, button 3 multiplication, and button 4 division. So all are pretty much the same, just the text will be different. It will be related to the operation that you want to use. So that is it for the design. There is no invisible comment. Now let's move on to the code. So when button 1 click, when you click on addition, set label 1's text, set label answers text to text in so first it take addition format, and text input 1's text plus text input 2's text. So when you click on subtraction, so label answers text to text input 1's text minus text input 2 text, and it will be like text input 1's text into text input 2's text, and text input 1's text divided by text input 2's text. So yeah, it is pretty simple. No, sorry, now I've not shown you the live test, so I just show you the preview I meant. So any number, we'll just take just a random number. Just putting any random number. So addition 119, subtraction 1, multiplication 3540, division yes. Now if you put a number that is below, I mean if you put a number in the numerator, which is sorry, if you put a number in the first which is less than the second, so in the multiplication if you do, sorry, subtraction if you do, it will come in negative number. So here integers are also used. If you do division like this, like this, like this, like this, and sorry, now I do the live test for translator. Okay, so we are going to do hello, if you translate to French,
Bonjour.
and the sound also comes. So if we do how are you, translate to French,
Comment it's vous.
comment that too. So that's how it comes. How was your day?
Comment à ta journée.
Yes, so it will be like that. It basically says, and this will be very useful for me as in in my school there is a language named French, so it will be very useful. And you can like do it to different languages. An example, if the for Hindi example, if there is some issues like so I was trying out Hindi once. I did hi, I mean I did good morning. In Namaste came here, so Namaste came, okay, and this thing text to speech, and I mean that means the sound did not come. So and sometimes in the screen in the and in the text area, the the text won't come but the voice will come. So there will be some problems like this, but yeah, it will work fine until that. So I guess that's it for the comeback video. And I'll be uploading a video tomorrow in yeah, Sunday. So hope you like today's video, and please subscribe guys, we are still on 25. And yeah, that's it for the video. So bye guys, have a beautiful day.